In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim new Discord usernames. If you've been meaning to lock in a clean, memorable handle on Discord, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. We'll move through the settings, make the change, and cover a few quick tips so you don't run into roadblocks along the way. Start by opening Discord, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to your user settings. You'll find this by clicking the gear icon near your avatar. Inside settings, open the My Account section. This is where your core profile details live and where you'll manage your username. Next, go to the security area. Discord places sensitive changes like username updates behind security checks to keep your account safe. In the security view, locate the username section. You should see your current username displayed along with an option to make changes. Click Edit next to your username. This will open the username editor. Click into the username field and type the new handle you want to claim. Keep it simple, easy to spell, and unique to you. If your first choice is taken, try a small variation that still looks clean. Follow any rules shown on screen regarding allowed characters and length, and avoid anything that could be mistaken for someone else's identity or a brand you don't own. Remember, your username is what others can use to find and mention you, so pick something you'll be happy to keep for a while. When you're satisfied with your choice, you'll be asked to confirm the change by entering your current password. This step verifies that it's really you making the update. Type your password carefully. If you can't remember it, you may need to reset it before you can proceed. Never share your password with anyone, and make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled in your security settings for extra protection. Finally, click Done to save the change. Discord will check availability and confirm if your new username is successfully claimed. If you see an error, adjust your handle and try again. After the change, your new username will appear across Discord. Keep in mind there may be cooldowns or limits on how often you can update it, so choose thoughtfully. It's also a good idea to tell friends or teammates about the update so they can find you easily. That's all you need to claim your new Discord username. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh handle.